Today, we are in Omole upgrading our network infrastructure. This is part of FiberOne's ongoing investment in delivering an even more reliable broadband experience.
A lot of what we do happens underground, so customers may not always see it. But these upgrades are what make the network stronger and more reliable over time.
We are replacing older infrastructure with a newer, more resilient network. It's an investment that helps us to improve reliability and prepare the network for the future demand.
This upgrade is about improving the quality of service our customers receive every day. By replacing older infrastructure with newer technologies, we are strengthening the network to improve stability, reduce faults and support, while also increasing internet usage across homes and businesses.
This is more than cables in the ground. It is knowing another family or business now has access to a stronger network. This is just one community. We will continue upgrading more locations as we build a network that is ready for